So, almost all data and voices in Filipino, kami nila Mac at mga creative voices yan. So, instead of us recording it, ini-AI na lang namin. Kami pa rin naman yun eh. Kumbaga, ang sinasabi ko lang, mas pangit kung ibang boses gagamitin mo. Di gamitin mo ng boses mo para may sense of ownership ka doon sa work mo. Tsaka hindi naman nahalata kung AI yan o hindi eh. Like ako ngayon, pause ako. Kung kailangan ko mag-record, hindi ko magagawa. Unlike kapag may AI, kahit 100 pang recording yan, kaya kong gawin yan. Yun lang, may mga flaws pa as of now. Kasi AI is, kumbaga, what AI is now is the worst it can be. Imagine mo, every day it just develops itself. Ang maganda kasi sa artificial intelligence, alam niya nagkakamali siya. So, pag tinuruan mo siyang mali na siya doon, halimbawa, 7, dapat 7, sinabi niya. Oy, may 7 dyan. May 7 candy. Dapat may 7 candy. Sasabihin mo kay AI, oy, sabihin mo, may 7 candy. Kasi ngayon, you can teach it. Lalong-lalo na, we just released another parang part ng 11 Labs na I can teach him, I can direct him kung paano yung tamang pronunciation ng pangalan, tamang bigkas, tamang acting. That, sobrang powerful. Just today, we just announced it sa 11 Labs. So, next is AI art and design. So, it generates artwork, logos, and animation, which is hindi siya available dati. Dati paint pa lang, di ba? Yan nagkagawa kong logo, ang hirap-hirap. Siyempre, maraming maapektuhan. Lahat naman ng pagbabago may epekto sa lahat ng tao. Wala yung kaibahan sa mga typist noon, no? Nagalit sila nung nagkaroon ng laptop, ng computer. In history, every time na changes, a lot of people reacts. Because those people will be directly affected by changes. But we cannot stop change. We cannot stop development. We cannot stop technology. But if you don't adapt, you will be stopped. Ikaw ang nagpahinto sa sarili mo. You could have been the best version of yourself, but because you are anti-AI, marami kasi nagsusumigaw ngayon sa internet eh. Sino ba kalaban? Sarili mo o yung AI? You cannot stop AI. Because a lot of people are developing it. Isang tao ka lang. Diba? Na naging marami kasi ang dami niyong maingay. But eventually, sabi nga, AI will not replace, it's not a replacement but an enhancement. Second, the people who will the only thing that will replace you are the people who uses it. Para yung 'di ba, comparison mo typewriter at laptop. Anong pipiliin mo? Hindi, typist ako eh. So typewriter lang ako. You can use your skill as a typist sa pagsusulat doon sa laptop. And you can do more.